Hey guys, big opportunity alert for freshers and recent graduates. If you're looking for an IT job with a reputed MNC, then watch this video till the end. And let's go through the company. This company is a global IT service and consulting leader working with the top clients across banking, healthcare, retail, and technology services. And here you go, this company called as Mphasis. They are known for strong training programs, scalable career growth, and fresher-friendly hiring, marketing, IT in a great sector journey field. So let's coming to the point with the job role. It's an entry-level trained role. Works involve application support, software IT operations, basic development and testing tasks, suitable for non-coding plus coding background roles. Eligibility. Coming to the education, BE, B.Tech, B.Sc, BCA, MCA, MSc, as mentioned in group discussion, as mentioned in job description, batch, recent graduates, freshers. Some roles allow final year students. Skill required: basic programming knowledge about Python, Java, SQL. Anyone. Good communication skills, willingness to learn and work in shifts required. And how to apply? Click on the link present in the description and fill details carefully. Resume should be simple and ATS score should be friendly. So friends, this is a solid opportunity for freshers who want to start their career in IT and with a reputed company. I found this is helpful to you and share with your friends.